Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is January 9th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Simulations Plus, a leader in cheminformatics and biosimulation solutions for the biopharma industry. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Simulations Plus has just released their first quarter fiscal 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their impressive revenue growth and strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Simulations Plus reported a total revenue of $18.9 million for the first quarter of fiscal 2025, marking a 31% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The significant revenue growth is primarily driven by a 41% increase in software revenue, which now accounts for 57% of the total revenue. This growth is largely attributed to the strong performance of their Monolix Suite platform and increased adoption of their P-Canalix application. Additionally, the services segment also saw a 19% increase, despite some temporary headwinds.
And how about profitability?
The gross profit came in at $10.2 million, with a gross margin of 54%. While the gross margin is solid, it's important to note that the net income was $0.2 million, with a diluted EPS of 0.01, reflecting some challenges in managing costs and expenses.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's talk about the earnings per share. The adjusted EPS for this quarter was 0.17 cents, which aligns with the forecast from analysts. How does this compare to the company's performance in the previous year?
Indeed, the adjusted EPS of 17 cents met the expectations set by the two analysts covering the stock. However, it's a slight decrease from the 18 cents reported in the same quarter last year. This reflects the challenges in net income, which was $0.2 million compared to $1.9 million in the previous year, indicating some pressure on profitability despite the revenue growth.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Simulations Plus has been focusing on strategic initiatives to drive growth. Can you elaborate on their key strategies and future outlook?
Certainly. The company has seen a 43% growth in their Monolix Suite platform, which is a significant contributor to their software revenue. Additionally, their quantitative systems pharmacology business unit experienced a 40% growth, driven by strong demand for model licenses in specific disease areas. Looking ahead, Simulations Plus has provided a revenue guidance of $90 million to $93 million for fiscal 2025, with an adjusted EPS guidance of $1.07 to $1.20. They expect the momentum to be strongest in the latter half of the year.
Management commentary and market position. What insights did the management provide regarding their market position and strategic direction?
CEO Shawn O'Connor highlighted the strong start to fiscal 2025, emphasizing the 41% growth in their software platforms. He mentioned a significant commitment from a major pharmaceutical client to implement their P-Canalix application. Additionally, the integration of their adaptive learning and insights and medical communications business units is progressing well, which is expected to enhance their service offerings and operational efficiency.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Simulations Plus has demonstrated strong revenue growth and met EPS expectations, despite some profitability challenges. Their strategic focus on software and service integration positions them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Simulations Plus is on a solid growth trajectory with their innovative solutions and strategic client engagements. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in the latter half of the year as they aim to meet their fiscal 2025 guidance.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Simulations Plus's performance in the comments below.